as usual. Rained a whole lot last night. I knew it was going to be a little windy and chilly today, but that's alright. So, shot a few videos over here, and this is one of those bridges where I've talked about it. That's the bridge where it's located. And nobody ever walks this side over here. So, it produces a lot of, probably most of my ideas have come from this ridge alone. I hope that wind's not too bad. Probably not going to make this video real long here, but anyway, I'm not sure if this is broken or if it just got a little termination on the base there. It feels like there's a little meat in there. We'll see. There. Another Adena. And looks like it's reworked there on the tip a little bit. Pretty nice though, huh? I'm nowhere close to water. Oh, here's a little bit. Oh, about 10 feet away from somebody's old footprints. Yeah, not too bad at all. Alright, hey, thanks for watching. Find anything else, I'll take some more video. Alright, find the flint rock back again. It's gotten even windier. I'm going to try to cuff the wind with my coat a little bit here. Still walking this scoured off ridge here. It's gotten a lot of wash. I was out here January 1st, I think was the last time I've been out here, so I've had quite a few snows and rains since then. And river might have actually come up here a little bit too. Don't really know. Anyway, walking along, and kind of interesting here. It's a nice little triangle, but it's broken. But there's both halves, or both pieces right there. So yeah, a little super glue when I get home, and it's back together. All right, find anything else, be back. All right, find a flint rock back. Oh, hang on. About to drop my camera here. Alright, back again here. Really haven't moseyed too often far since doing that part of that drive. And trying to block the wind with the coat. I hope it's working out. Anyway, still in this really scoured area over here. And looks like I've got another Adena base sticking out. It's looking pretty clean. I haven't touched it at all, but so far it looks pretty good. Anything else? Get back. Alright, find a flint rock back again. Finally made a way to the end of that ridge and decided to go ahead and turn around. The wind has really picked up. It's probably 20 miles an hour today, if not better. So kind of decided to just walk where this edge of this washed off area is here and come across this. Not sure exactly what it is. Definitely worked on. But I can't tell if it's the edge of a head or a drill or what it might be. Cool. Alright, find something else. Get back with you. Alright, back again. Haven't even taken maybe 10 or 15 steps. Got my daughter out here with me today. She said she didn't really want to be on the video or anything. Sorry about the wind. It didn't come out. So I got my daughter out here with me. She said she didn't want to be on the video. And she's only gone with me a few times. Got a couple broke heads. That's about it. But she just hollered at me, and looks like she found her first drill here. cool. Not bad for a cool little first hunt for her, so there you go. Alright, we'll be back if we find anything. Alright, back again. Finally made my way. Decided I've just had enough today, so making my way, just walking this little flood line. You see that little soybean debris there, and not too far from the truck. Truck's just about 200, 300 yards over that way. But well, yeah, man, it is just windy and it's gotten cold and just not been much fun at all. But well worth it. Here I am on the way back. Another nice little triangle here. This one's pretty cool. It's